go? Why would someone leave you out here? You're kind of cute. I think I might take you with me. I don't see how somebody can throw you away. You're so cute and adorable, and you're just the cuddliest thing. What should I make for dinner?
You know, make sure that turn the camera on. We're gonna get something great. So
How did the TV turn on when the remote's right there?
Completely naive. It was, but it was very, very fun.
It was
you realize
right
that
there. How did it turn on?
Wings.
What is it doing here? I thought it was in the room. How did it get here? What are you doing out here? I thought I'd just put you back in the room. I have to put you back. How is it opening? Miguel, thank you for meeting me here.
Oh, it's no problem, Aaron. But you sounded distressed over the phone. Is everything alright?
Well, I felt like I saw the bear move across the room.
Really?
Yeah.
I told you, you have a ghost. It's the bear you picked up. I told you to throw it away. Or burn it at least.
I think I might do that, but maybe it's just my imagination. No. Oh my god, how is it moving? Screw this. Finally, I got rid of the bear.